Let's make some fried vegan chitlins. All right, guys, for this recipe, you're going to take a trip to your local Asian market and you're going to look for some dry bean curd sticks. They do sell them frozen. They do sell them in sheets, but you want to make sure you get the sticks for this recipe. They're pretty thick and long and a little bit of wide. They're easily breakable, so that's what you're going to go ahead and do. You're going to add that to a pot of boiling water. Now, of course, you want to go ahead and season that thing. You can find this pork flavored broth, which is absolutely vegan, at your Asian market as well. You're going to use the best seasoner on the market, and that's that Golden Chick by your girl, Chef Joya. And going to use some saucy inglese or some Vegan Worcestershire sauce to add to it. Cook it for about 15 minutes and then drain it. Next, you're going to go ahead and take some cornstarch and some flour with the Golden Chick seasoning again. And then for color, you're going to add in some smoked paprika because it does give a little flavor as well. Mix that all together. Then you're going to take your bean curd and give it a taste to make sure it absorbed all that flavor, because I don't know about y'all. Don't nobody want no ball head food. This is just like tofu. It is flavorless. So once you make sure the flavor is down packed, you're going to go ahead and toss it in your flour mixture. You're going to put it in some hot oil, and you want to make sure that oil is scorching hot. You want to cook it for about 3 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and season it with some Red House seasoning and some hot sauce. And baby, enjoy this recipe and follow Chef Joy for more. Now that's a good vegan booty noodle. Booty! Booty, booty, booty.